Now to the other big story of the day, that monster bomb cyclone battering the Northeast. The storm bringing widespread blizzard conditions, knocking out power and burying towns.
The storm also bringing with it travel trouble and halting flights in the area. Officials estimate more than 11,000 flights have been canceled through at least Wednesday.
We have live team coverage tonight. CBS Miami's Larry Seward is standing by at MIA with the local impact. But let's kick things off with CBS Miami's Jared Hill in New York. Jared, it is a sea of white.
Yeah, Naja and Lauren, this was the first blizzard warning issued in New York City in about 9 or so years. At one point, 2 to 3 inches an hour was falling across the region, making this storm one for the record books. Heavy snow swirled in blizzard-like winds across the Northeast, shutting down major cities.
This winter has been particularly tough, and this winter is not for the faint of heart.
Providence, Rhode Island set an all-time snowstorm record with almost 3 feet of snow. Atlantic City, New Jersey got more than a foot.
Visibility is like zero. I can't see in front of my face right now, and I'm frozen.
Places like Babylon on New York's Long Island are also seeing record accumulations with at least 30 inches. The storm was too dangerous even for snowplows. This one flipped on its side. This nor'easter is now one of the 10 biggest storms in New York City history.
We are plowing streets and doing everything we can to keep our roadways clear so that emergency vehicles can get through. These are dangerous conditions.
Most New Yorkers stayed off the roads with the rare travel ban in effect, but you just couldn't keep people from coming out to check out this real-life snow globe in Central Park. At the height of the storm, some residents were seen getting around on skis, even stepping out in snowshoes.
It's been nice in the park because since it's still falling, it's really deep. They haven't been able to keep up with it quite yet.
In the Philadelphia area, people sheltering in place captured scenes of a winter wonderland. But at the nation's airports, anything but smooth sailing, with thousands of flights grounded in this latest bout of winter weather. And a lot of major airlines have issued various notifications that they're going to be waiving some of those extra fees so that folks can rebook if their flight was in fact impacted. Also, this storm has knocked out power for about 500,000 homes and businesses across the region, meaning that cleanup could take a little bit longer. One thing, guys, that I'm very happy to see, although the snow is pretty, it's already started to melt. Very, very, very different from the last storm we had where this snow stuck around for weeks. Back to you.
That is good news because it is a very difficult situation for a lot of people right now. Jared Hill for us live in New York City.